Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Umentri rangba konrad kesangma hakala siu blay ulay thu bolayo priang kisiti na uba lakman Rymbui hakabau lakarpa na u benshim na Tnat Korbar Jylla. Hak siu blay hadin bolay amir jumut bagi na ilam keseng UDP uba Rymbui ularai ban kentu yo mentri rangba bon shim na Tnat Korbar Jylla na u hadin ke ega belaja haka khatlai tarik unailar arajar arpoi hakabau na ilam berim keseng HNLC uba cherish terfil thangke ula khlat no nakajing sha siat hagi pulit konrad ulong bolayo priang ekisithi kerpat no ba Rymbui tangba umpat shim ya kanu garai laun IT no shawai ya Tnat Korbar Jylla.
I have received the letter from the Honorable Home Minister, but I have not yet made a decision. So I will be examining the matter and will take a decision at the appropriate time. The Honorable Home Minister, after discussion with his party colleagues, has submitted, and the discussion that we had, has submitted the letter to me, not resignation, but asking himself to be relieved from the home portfolio. But as I said, as a Chief Minister and as a government, I have to look at all the aspects of the state's security and overall situation. Therefore, keeping all those aspects in mind, I am examining the letter that has been given and will take a decision at the appropriate time.
Sir, security purpose.
We have spoken to the Home Secretary and I had an detailed discussion myself with the Honorable Home Minister of India, Amit Shah yesterday. We spoke on two occasions, once in the afternoon and once in the evening. And on both occasions, he has assured us of full cooperation and support. And based on that, we have requested the government of India to give us 5 companies, and accordingly 3 from the CRPF and 2 from the DSF have been requisitioned for us for the situation here. And out of them, 2 have already from CRPF have arrived and 2 from DSF already have arrived. See, as we said, that number one, that overall the situation that unfolded in front of us was done and by the police department and the DGP and all the others who were involved in the decision making. And yes, at all levels we have been very clear with the police department that the number one priority and number one responsibility that is there for the police and the Home Department is to ensure that the citizens of this city and the citizens of our state are safe. And based on that, we have asked them to accordingly move and ensure that that priority is kept in mind. But at the same time, as I said, different operations and different movements do take place. And in the whole process, as I said, the intention was very clear in the time also, was to arrest the concerned person. So in these kind of instances, it's not always that the operations sometimes go according to what the plan is, and in this kind of situation also the same thing happened. What I'm trying to say is that a lot of operations do happen, and there could be or there could not be a situation where the information was given or not given. So let the committee look into this, and that's the reason why, after looking at all these facts, we've decided that judicial inquiry should be done. Let the judicial inquiry come out with this.